That's Grand Hyatt. And this is me, Deepthi Malik, and I am driving towards one of the largest integrated township on the extension road, which is, well, you have to wait for it. Now you would wonder कि मैंने Grand Hyatt से क्यों शुरू किया, because come on, who does not know Grand Hyatt? क्योंकि एक iconic landmark है on the extension road. So I thought let's begin from here so that you understand the location better of the township जिसके बारे में मैं बात कर रही हूँ. And this township has an access, your approach road जो जा रही है, that is 60 meter wide, जो कि हमारे Grand Hyatt से, and the same road which also comes from Huda metro station is also 60 meter wide. तो approach road बहुत ही अच्छी है. Now also talking about the connectivity, which is very well sorted, because I'm coming from the cyber city and it took me approximately 17 minutes to reach here. एंड ऑल्सो 56 मेट्रो स्टेशन से ये टाउनशिप कुल 5 मिनट दूर है, तो जो कि डेली कम्यूटर्स है उनके लिए भी एक बहुत ही ईजी एक्सेसिबिलिटी हो जाती है. Now before we enter the township, उससे पहले I just wanted to throw one more fact कि ये जो location है, it is right adjacent to the upcoming expressway from Ghata till Sona, and this is all as per the master plan of 2031, which is Gurgaon Master Plan 2031. एंड एक और फैसिनेटिंग बात है जो कि डेवलपर इस टाउनशिप के, दे आर नॉट ओनली बिल्डिंग दिस टाउनशिप, दे आर द बिगेस्ट होल्डर्स ऑफ द लैंड पार्सल हियर इन सेक्टर 63A. और अब हम ऑफिशियली एंटर कर रहे हैं अनंतराज एस्टेट, जो कि 220 एकर्स ऑफ इंटीग्रेटेड टाउनशिप है. एंड यहाँ पर यू गेट विलास, high-rise plots and floors, of which the estate apartments are a part of. Now, a brief about the estate apartments before we enter into the actual sample apartment. कि ये stilt plus 4 floors के बने हुए हैं, and the size of the plot is humongous, which is 411 square yards. तो आपको बहुत easily इसमें 4 BHK plus the powder room, the servant room, and also you get something extra with each apartment, जो कि मैं आपको apartment में अंदर जाने के बाद में बताऊंगी. So this township is a very low density township. Why? Because it is spread over 6 acres, सारे low rises हैं, there are 55 plots. तो अगर density की बात करें तो less than 40 apartments and floors per acre, which is so cool. So finally the wait is over. अब हम पहुंच चुके हैं sample apartment के पास, and in case if you see, all the apartments or floors have access either through the lift or staircase, and I took the staircase because I love to be healthy. So now, as we enter into our humble abode, I just want to show you this finer detail कि किस तरीके से बिल्डर ने बहुत ही strategically large glass window यहाँ पे place की है in front of the shaft area, because A, it gives you the illusion कि घर बहुत ही spacious है. It is very well lit throughout the day and it's the center of the house, तो बड़े अच्छे तरीके से इसको place किया गया है. Plus you can open these 2 windows so it becomes very airy. Now this was your entrance foyer and this apartment is divided into 2 parts. आपके पीछे है more of the private space of the house and this is more common area of the house. Now we are in the heart of the apartment, which is your drawing, dining and the bar area here, जो कि transition area है दोनों के बीच में. Now let's talk about Anantraj Estate. It is an integrated, gated, low density township spread over 220 acres. So you know the expanse is huge. And plus आपके पास सारे options है, चाहे वो low rise हो जैसे कि estate floors and apartments. And one thing which I distinguishedly really liked about low rise is कि generally people complain कि low rise में आपको safety नहीं मिलती, gated नहीं होता है, power backup नहीं होता. Well, all your complaints gets rested here, because why? यहाँ पर आपको 100% power backup मिलता है, gated security, not 1 or 2 but 3 tier security, and the third level is MyGate control access that you have with you. You also have underground laid cables and then government water supply and 100% power backup. So it's a good news in all the corners. So now it's time that we talk about the living area here. In case if you can see, बहुत ही spacious है. You can very easily accommodate 8 to 10 guests of yours. And one of the finer details that I really like is आपको यहाँ पर boring plain white walls नहीं मिलती like your regular apartments. यहाँ पर POP की detailing हुई है, which I really like because it adds character and essence to the apartment. Now they have placed bar countertop here, जो कि transition का काम करती है between the drawing space here and the dining area here. Dining area also I really like because पूरे घर में ना they've made a very beautiful use of the marble, which very well complements the Italian marble flooring here. Now let's step outside on the balcony. In case if you can see, it's quite wide, 6 feet wide, and the road facing right here is 12 meter. तो आपको जो स्पेस है बिटवीन द राइट नेक्स्ट अपार्टमेंट अक्रॉस द रोड वो भी काफ़ी स्पेशियस है. एंड बिलो इज द स्टिल्ट लेवल जहाँ पर आपको 2 डेडिकेटेड कार पार्किंग मिलते हैं विद ईच अपार्टमेंट और द फ्लोर हियर. नाउ लेट्स एंटर इनटू द फर्स्ट बेडरूम ऑफ द हाउस विच कुड बी वेरी इजीली टर्म्ड एज द गेस्ट बेडरूम. एंड अगर आपने जनरली नोटिस किया है इन द अपार्टमेंट हाई राइजेस आपको बेडरूम के साइज इतने स्पेशियस नहीं मिलते. एंड यहाँ पर यू हैव द लग्जरी. Even the extra bedroom of the houses are very spacious. And let me tell you the detailing here. Unlike boring walls, even in the bedrooms you'll get this wooden detailing yahan par and this POP groovings. Now this is your attached washroom which can very easily double up as the powder room. Now let's get back into the center of the house and let me take you to the kitchen first. Pretty spacious once again. दोनों साइड आपके cabinets है, modular kitchen है, you get chimney, you get hob, and this is your utility balcony wherein you can put all your mops, brooms, or maybe your washing machine as well. Let's head to the other part of the house. Basically हमने अपना tour खत्म कर लिया है of the common area of the house, back to the entrance foyer, and now we enter into the private heaven here which accommodates 3 rooms. 2 of them are master bedroom and 1 could be your kids room. So let's start with the kids room first. Basically for an inspiration they have designed it as a study room or like a family lounge wherein you can sit, work. And one more detail that I would like to add here is कि generally low rises में आपको club house facility नहीं मिलती, but not here at Anant Raj Estate because you have a club house spread over 2 acres. Yes, you heard me right. वहाँ पर जो built up area होने वाला है वो लगभग 1.5 लाख square foot का होने वाला है and you'll get all the amenities that you can think of. And towards my right is a very spacious washroom and it also has the closet inside. Now coming back, there are 2 bedrooms here. I can very easily term both as the master bedroom. You tell me which one would you like to see? Let's go. Now I really like the color of this bedroom. It is very muted, very classic, very nice use of a hint of blue on the white and light grey walls. अब यहाँ भी हम देखेंगे बहुत ही स्पेशियस है. यू हैव अ किंग साइज बेड हियर, येट एम्पल ऑफ स्पेस टू वॉक अराउंड. Study table, you can put your lounger here wherein you can sit with your friends and have your breakfast in the morning to have a good time. Now let me take you to the washroom of this bedroom. Shower cubicle behind me, WC, and this countertop, marble countertop. And in case if you've seen, flooring is very well sorted. Common area mein you have Italian marble, washrooms mein you have vitrified tiles, and in the bedrooms you have engineered wooden flooring in all the 4 bedrooms. Now let me take you to the final bedroom of the house, the primary bedroom. I was saving the best for the last. Now let's sit here for a while because I want to highlight about the strategic location of this property. Because you think of the entertainment, retail, commercial spaces, you have all here. Whether it is Paris Trinity, IFC, Worldmark, AIPL Joy Square. Yes, everything is right in the same vicinity. Also, when you go on the top, you can see the Aravali range as well. And it's not just that you get this apartment 4 BHK plus the utility area. Indeed, all the apartment here get something extra. So the first and the second floor get this space in the basement, and third and fourth floor get the rights to half of the terrace. Now, let me take you to the master washroom here. And in case you can see, there's an L shape of wardrobe here, and his and hers wash basins, and the shower cubicle and WC. Now that I've given the complete video tour of the entire apartment, let me summarize everything for you. This is Anant Raj Estate, an integrated, gated, low-density township spread over 220 acres. This is your estate apartment wherein you have 4 BHK apartments on a plot size of 411 square yards wherein you get your 4 bedroom with either the terrace space or the basement space. This is also very low density because it is spread over 6 acres and only limited 55 plots. So super low density it is. Plus you get all the amenities, the offerings, the security, the 100% power backup, clubhouse spread over 2 acres. I mean, you're spoiled for choices, I know here. And to make the deal even sweeter, you get more detailings here, not like your regular plain walls. The POP detailing here, the modular kitchen. I mean, it can't get any better. So in case if you're interested, you know whom to reach. Well, I'm always available.